Hey, what is going on, guys? If you just saw, we had a video a week ago from the introduction or demo of Tires Home. Now we're actually going to be reviewing the second part, which is the wholesale division, the warehouse, really what's fueling everything for Tires Home. And so right here, again, Fernando and Miguel are going to be telling us a little bit more of the history of the company. How are they actually getting all these great deals on tires? And what makes this distributor unique? And again, they'll show us kind of like their workflow, you know, the drop shipping, the racks, everything. So again, before we continue, I do want to thank our sponsor, TireBase, for sponsoring this video. And again, let's go ahead and begin.
Well, as you can see, this is our warehouse. We are receiving around 3 containers per day. For example, this is for tomorrow's load. We are going to send those tires to Houston.
Okay.
To a very good customer. But well, right now we are a little full of tires. So we try to organize the warehouse with the sizes.
Right? Oh, by size?
Oh yeah, by size, yeah. We start here by the biggest size, for example, 26 inches.
So I'm gonna get picky here, man, but how do you guys actually find, I see barcodes, but do you guys actually have it in your system, racked or bin, or is it just memory?
No, yeah, we have a very good people with a very good memory. And yeah, right now it looks bigger, but it's easier to find a tire because it's not too high the.
And tell us the truth, Miguel, though, it's fine. We are all in the business and we understand the struggles, but is the current process, do you guys want to eventually move into scanning devices and all that, or do you guys want to stay the same way with?
No, by now, no. But in Mexico,
we already
exactly.
That they have everything with the barcode.
With the barcodes and by the rack location.
That, no? So maybe in the future we can adopt that and do it the same way, no? But the idea is to continue as we are now. And
yeah, because it's a lot of tires, man, to keep.
Yeah.
So right now it's organized by size and by brand, or?
By size, just by size. For example, we started at 26 inches wheels. Right now it's 18 inches wheels. And well, we are full, so we are putting some stuff in the middle of the.
Yeah, man, I see. You guys don't have any more space.
Any room. And we are getting more, so we are trying to move very well. Fortunately, we are moving a lot of tires locally in the market and more in the small cities around Metroplex, Dallas. So.
Okay, and then how about online? Are you guys selling with all the drop shippers? Simple Tire, Tires Easy, drop shipping labels?
Yes, yes, we do business with them. Priority Tire, Simple Tire, Easy, Giga Tires, Tire Web, Tire Agent.
Tire Agent, correct.
Who else?
Walmart.
Walmart. We started with Walmart this year.
What about with your current system? What do you guys use to operate a warehouse like this?
All the system that we use is part of us, no?
Home developed,
yes,
in-house?
Home developed. The people in Mexico made all the system. We use Epicor as our...
Okay, as parts ordering?
Yes. All the information is there. And we have some web services to communicate with Epicor, and this is the way we handle all the inventory and all the reports.
Do you guys offer like a login for your customers to log in and order tires?
Yeah. B2B, we have B2B for all the customers. The customer can get in, make his orders, and they can see his invoices, his balance, everything in the system.
How many people are working in this warehouse?
There are around 6 people.
We have maybe 10 people in total for all the operations.
Operations.
Yeah.
All right, and so again, we might see it a little bit more calm, but from what I understand, you guys' business is more bulk orders, right? So do you guys typically ship these in your own trucks, or are these being shipped out with JB Hunt or a freight company, or?
We have freights company who help us to to deliver when it's a complete load.
Exactly.
50
It's
feet
easier
load.
for us.
But if it's a small load, we have some trucks to deliver to the customers here.
Got it. Okay. All right. And then in terms of pricing, I'm assuming, how do you guys get like good prices for your products? I see some brands like, is that Good Trip?
Yeah.
And JK Tire.
Yeah.
Are these all in-house brands or?
Sure. Yeah, actually our lineup, it's our main brand, it's JK, made in Mexico. We are the tire distributor of that brand in the US, made in Mexico. But we are introducing a new brand that is called Gridmaster. Gridmaster is made in Thailand with a full line, all the segments, UHP, HP, RTs, MTs, all-terrain tires. And I'm prepared about it, take a look. Because we have, I would like to show you the patterns of those tires. This is the full line. So as you can see, it's a very good size, good tire. The thread patterns are unique, like this, for example.
It's Gridmaster, and these are made in Thailand, huh?
Yeah.
Now I know Tire Direct recently announced they were building factory along with Salem.
Yeah.
In partnership. Is Gridmaster part of the plan to be produced in Mexico?
No, this brand it's made in Thailand by Linglong.
Okay.
By Linglong, it's other brand. As you mentioned, yeah, we are a huge challenge for the next year with the factory. We are very happy to that. So yeah, it's different brands, but we want to introduce the brand in the market.
We have our priority brand, one brand of us for the factory,
Okay.
and this is the brand that we will sell.
Okay, Gridmaster.
No,
Oh, another brand, okay.
Yes, it's another brand.
So it's gonna be a completely new, different line.
New line.
Okay, got it. Okay, that's nice. Very nice.
And well, you know, we have sometimes some deals. For example, that Good Trip deal, we got around probably 20 containers with a very good pricing. We get some the Bridgestone that we received today. We got some good deals on major brands.
Do most of your guys' tires come from Mexico, or are these also local buys?
The guys who work here,
No,
No,
the tires.
We do both.
we do both. We bring some from Mexico and a lot of from Asia,
Right.
and we buy some from here too. We have some deals here. We buy some deals here.
So you pretty much are open to whatever
Yeah.
good deals are
Yeah.
at.
We ask about the negotiation for the price. One of the important things is that Tire Direct is the biggest distributor in Mexico. No? They are handling around 1,500 containers a month. So
Wow, that's it.
yes, the power of negotiation that they have is big, and this helps us to have a good prices for our customers. No?
So when you're buying 1,500 containers in Mexico, you can definitely get a good deal and probably negotiate to give me a good deal on my U.S. branch.
That's the idea, no? to have the support, and with that have the best price for our customers, so the customers can have the best deals here.
And that's one of our opportunity here, because well, if in Mexico, with around 20 years of history in the tire market, we can buy 1,500 containers. Here, well, the market is 3 times bigger than Mexican market, so that's the huge opportunity that we have here in the market, in the US.
Nice. What about OTR? I see some big tires. You guys sell OTRs, or are those just more?
For example, we bring those tires from Mexico. In Mexico, we do a lot of business on that segment, and we have here a couple of customers that they order by like I need that size, so we bring some, and we are trying to push a little bit. But as you can see, our warehouse is totally focused on PCR and LTs.
Yeah, I can see that for sure. So are these returns, or what are these?
Yes.
So a lot of returns coming.
No, not all of them.
And then you guys got a FedEx truck that FedEx comes, docks, and then every day picks up.
Yes, we have a daily FedEx truck here, and we put all the drop shipments here.
Now I see you guys are taping it, the label, or use labels.
No, we use labels, but
Sometimes.
some tires some tires like GK, they has like a
The rubber is not.
no, como la cinta, como dices?
Yeah, the
Grease.
tape. Oh, the
No,
grease
the
or
grease, they have some grease in the tire, so the level do not
stick.
very well.
Because we've gotten a lot of good reviews that, well, people normally prefer the tape, the label.
Yes.
And then if the label doesn't work, this is
We
much
use-
more
yes.
affordable than tape. You know, tape
Yes.
is very expensive.
Yeah.
Yes, we use more this.
Nice. Okay. Tell us, where does Nat come from?
That is the part of Tire Direct. Tire Direct is the largest tire distributor in Mexico. His owner and president is Gonzalo Santamarino. No, a lot of people know him in the tire business, in the tire sectors, and he started with an idea to open in the United States market. That's why he chose here Dallas to start the business and to put a warehouse to start the business.
Nice.
Not is only is wholesale. We do drop shipment. We do wholesale. We do medium wholesale too for the local stores here in the area. And the idea is to continue growing with that.
Nice.
Okay. We started 3 years ago. Our mother company is Tire Direct, as I told you, and they support all the operation and everything. We have here 10 dock doors to receive and to send all the trailers.
How many containers are we getting here per day?
We have around maybe 3 or 4 daily.
Okay.
It depends, no? We got sometimes we have a little more, no? But we try to schedule it to handle it.
And mainly, are you guys selling in the local Dallas area, or you guys? What's your primary business? Is it container loads or?
Yes, we have both. We have customers in all the United States. We have Miami, we have California, we have New York, and we have locally delivered too for the customers that are near here.
Near us, okay. And here's Tire Home. If you guys did not check that video out, like I said before, make sure to check that video. It's also very interesting how they've been able to, in one building, you could clearly see the warehouse and then the retail space. So upstairs is really where we're gonna have the podcast in just a moment, but upstairs is just office space. I do wanna thank again, Fernando. Thank you so much, man.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you a lot, my
for the
friend.
tour. And I'm excited, guys. We'll leave your guys' information on the description below.
Sure.
So if somebody has questions, wants to get in contact with advice or product, they can reach out to you guys. So thank you again, guys, for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Awesome.